You have a Furrion backup or observation camera, and after 2 years it's cloudy like it's at cataracts. Well, this one does. Let me show you what it looks like on a monitor. And here's the monitor. It's dry. There's no fog outside. It's a really crystal clear day, as you can see. Sun's shining. But this is what I've been dealing with since, I don't know, somewhere between 18 months and 2 years after we bought it. This is what we have. So I'm going to try to clean the lens and see if we can get a better picture than that. Meguiars PlastX. Use this for headlights, cleaning them off. Works pretty good. And I'm going to use, instead of a rotary tool, okay, I'm going to use a rotary tip. I'm just going to use a regular drill, spin it on, see if it gets the, improves the look of it, polish it off, and go check out the visibility. Well, no improvement. Not sure it's worse, better. It's all blurry. Alright, try something different. Next thing I'm going to try is some 1500 grit sandpaper. Do some wet sanding on it, and then turn around and do some plastics polish on it, see if that will help. Well, it's improved in the middle. Looks like I gotta do the edges, so I'm gonna go back and wet sand the edges some more in the middle, but it, double up on the edges and see how clean we can get it. Round 2 of the sandpaper, and it's getting even better. It looks like a couple of corners I still need to work on, but the center is getting really clear. Like, I mean, that's for what this camera does. That's, if I can get it to focus, focus, focus. Come on, focus. There. That's not bad. I can actually see what's behind me now. So I got to work on the edges a little bit more. Give it a shot. Round 3 coming up. Results from the 3rd round. See a little bit of improvement, but I think that's probably as far as I'm going to get. I'm using pretty light pressure. I don't want to dig into it and scratch anymore than I need to. So I'm going to try some polish and see if I can get a little bit better look right there. But so far, if this is all I get, I'll be pretty happy. The battery on the drill died, and I did not bring the charger, so I only got a few seconds polish, but I think it made an improvement. If I give it a little more, if I had a little more time, it's more of a finer abrasion than the sandpaper. So it's a little more finer detail work. It looks clear in the middle. I mean clear. Clear. The sides a little bit of I guess was it vignetting of a lens, like it's a cheap camera lens. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with this. I can actually use my camera going home and see what's behind me. So here are my ingredients for this project: 1500 grit, 3M sandpaper. I think I got it at Lowe's for other projects. A polish buffer kit with some dog hair. That's this is pretty cheap at on Amazon. I've used it to restore some headlights on the older cars, and sticking it into a regular old-fashioned cordless drill or corded drill does a pretty good results. They're a lot brighter and clearer for about a good year. My truck's due, so I may have do that again and clean them up. And then finally polish off with this Meguiars PlastX. It's designed to clear, like I said, clear the headlights. The oxidation getting off of them, it does work. And I've done it by hand. I've done it with these polishers. I think it was $10 for the kit. And it makes life a whole lot easier and simpler to do. So anyway, I'm hoping to get a good year or so out of this cleaning job. Hopefully it'll go longer, but I expect a good year before the haze returns. I hope this has been beneficial and helpful to you, and if you got the same problem, maybe you can clear them up and use your camera again without having to spend $300+ on a new camera setup. Thanks for watching.